more satisfied than owners of any traditional mattress brand.
Well, no, these guys, they really are older.
Ask me how I'm glad I didn't wait till I'm too old to enjoy this.
Start asking real owners.
Ask me how to make your first move.
Call 1-800-974-5444 for your free CBE and information kit. Find an authorized dealer near you. Visit Tempur-Pedic.com.
Tempur-Pedic, the most highly recommended bed in America.
And now, grab a sack of balls and meet me behind the boys' locker room. It's Web Soup Sports! Baseball is stupid. I never watched the sport. It puts me right to sleep. But pitching might become a fan if it were a little more like this. That hollow, echoey sound of a skull. This is all your fault, the inanimate object I was swinging wildly around my skull. Karma is a Sanskrit word denoting the relationship between cause and effect. Karma is also a cheap, poorly balanced model of profit made by IKEA. I guess the lesson for this kid is coming out of the closet can be pretty scary and even hurt sometimes, but once already. Well, we got another clip and now it's Kitten's time this time. I'll let you hit him. He's a dog fool for real, remember? Yeah. Now it's time for some payback. And let's just say that as far as pranks go, I think your audience will find this one to be quite electrocuting. One thing you know about my boy Jeff is that he hates being electrocuted. I'm going to give him a little taste. Shock therapy, you know what I'm saying? You're busy, look at such a play. Yo, Jeff, come on out to the bathroom, man. I won't electrocute you no more. Yo, yes, there's no Tommy phone we never use to bring it. Better answer it. Do the job off and you've been waiting so long. Yo, what's up, it's Jeff. What the hell is wrong with you two? Yo, don't trip, Hotwick. We're just trying to cross-promote the premiere of First Bank. Let's go, G4. Yeah. All right, more Web Soup right after this. Next on Web Soup, we unveil the greatest prank video ever. This week. Are you tired?
Next up the bank. Jeff and Disney bust out a fan favorite.
Who are you?
After today, Wilson World and piled into the Will Mansion to watch the latest insane viral videos.